All right, let's also tell you the big development that we're tracking as far as the rain misery in the national capital is concerned. We are picking up the 3 construction workers fell into a pit. In fact, the laborers fell into a pit in Delhi's Vasant Vihar. You're looking at the visuals of this particular incident on your screens right now. We're given to understand this was reported from Delhi's Vasant Vihar area. In fact, as we talk about the rescue operations, we understand that the NDRF has been pulled in for the search operation that's currently underway. Let's listen in.
यहाँ पे हमें सूचना मिली कि यहाँ पे कोई अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन बिल्डिंग कोलैप्स हुई और उसके बेसमेंट में पानी घुसा है और कुछ लोग फंसे होने की आशंका थी, तो हमें यहाँ पे कॉल किया गया और उसके चलते हम यहाँ पे हैं और अभी हमारा जो रेस्क्यू अभियान है वो शुरू है।
Nikhil, my colleague, joins me for more details. Nikhil, what are we understanding at the moment in terms of the rescue operations? Has there been any breakthrough?
Well, there is no breakthrough which has come out so far, but all the concerned agencies, be it NDRF, TDMA, fire services, and the local police, they are currently deployed on the ground. The numbers as to how many laborers are trapped into that particular mud slush, this is something which has not been confirmed yet from the side of the Delhi police. The number could be higher, but the initial details are coming in that at least 3 of the laborers are feared to be trapped. And if you see the picture, it is highly unlikely that they are going to be rescued, and they are highly unlikely that they will come out alive from this particular position. But as we speak, Nivedna, the efforts are being made from all the sides to rescue all of those laborers who are working at the nearby under construction residence. Back to you.
Right, Nikhil. Thank you very much for getting us those details as far as this is concerned. Well, like you did point out that the rescue operations are underway. The NDRF has been roped in as well. But let's tell you, 3 construction workers fell into this particular pit. The visuals are the same that you're looking at on your screens. And the laborers did fall into this pit in question in Delhi's Vasant Vihar.